Okay, guys, so tonight, Parkour Rich, DJ Parkour Rich. Now, today I'm bringing you some exclusive interview from this beautiful lady. Very hardworking. On my nyama being here, Akwensi Zowana Brabom. She's doing something extraordinary. So I'm on my way to her house. Now, if you nyama be very happy pa. And to be with me on this journey right here on Parkour Rich Studios and subscribe here. But more than subscribe. And let's find out the special things about this beautiful woman.
Initially, I had a shop around Alaju. But with the most Magana and it's baby a butcher rent. I rent a shop I butcher. And I'm single-handedly, like I don't have any support coming from anywhere. So I said to myself, why don't I rather look for a house that maybe I can convert my hall, then use it, because Obe save me ska.
Ebusiafo, let me share the story of this wonderful lady, our friend Mercy. Emize, my friend is the Lord of Braids. Na oye the CEO of Hair Affairs or La Paz. Na erabe nye juma wo oye shop. Or you're in a hall in a way convert to a salon or the juma. Now, maybe said that what is your reason? It's all Erica there. Customers are not patronizing your services. A rabbit capitalize on strengths, not skill in an intimacy with a combination of social media. And today, she's doing extremely well. Stay with me on this journey as we share the wonderful story of Mercy, the CEO of Hair Affairs.
So who they son with good did me name na fish until I wanna when me will come to two tema. Until me who there with who good penam I think the way to get better. It wasn't me, but
to say a young girl now what's in there. And Peda Becca there bash I won't say I want soft light. A young soft light. Baba no jinana nado. No mu yedru. But jinana nado over 1 hour. Or roboti. That is not soft life. Sister no way. Bomazina na bra. Na mumbe juma. Na nansano zoye fe. Mara asementia. Enka oide mama oboti bi mam. But ojina we man 100,000 pay oya ye. So what would you tell other people watching?
If you want quality hair, if you want the best, you want a hair that everybody will compliment you, you have to come to Hair Affairs Parlor. She's the best. Because all the time when I go out, even if I step foot just right outside the door, I get a compliment. So come to Hair Affairs Parlor.
So, my location in Tinamine Juma, but I personally feel that it is not really about location. It's about what you can do and how best a treat your customers. Now, once I need human recommendations are we are on the hunt to locate this beautiful lady doing some amazing stuff for our sisters, your wives, and your mama or your location and your challenge, mom. Whatever you have, however you want to start, please do, and you definitely have results. Or to motivate our payday baby, but because of some reasons, means and starting. See, my own friend, I mean, may do directionals, mom. Oh, you go fi stay on. Hello. Yeah, mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get to now. No, you're about to my park or in for side. Oh, okay. School be one any main one. Yeah, Gina. Get name pepe. Say if you coconut. Okay. Memphis left and now right. Oh, okay, all right.
So you can pack it on the bed.
All right. Okay, ntia wa ha. Oh, beautiful lady. Asana mu krom yimponye. I didn't know. Maybe I'm a call. All right.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome. Until we're in 5th floor another. Okay. Interesting. Hello. Yeah, wo oye hair affair. Aha, ihwinwe adwuma na wo ye. The ihwinwe adwuma onye amotuem na other places so ye ti hu kotin. Okay, me dey me be me peda me be me but pressure. Nothing I get. Until I have to keep my cap on and talk to the queen herself. Into me wo oye somewhere around La Paz and there's this beautiful lady. She's doing something extraordinary. The reason being that in a shop, one a hall, yes, and I'm wondering why do people be in a shop one a hall? No, be then kofu be then who be juma no, but they be already juma. They be why busy. She's making money, and so I'm here to find out where any motivation if inspiration if the challenges. And how the future looks like. Today Vodafone future me exciting and I'm here with Mami Biokita Titi Dino Pa, the name old school name. And so your pedo saving on that a mercy, but Macy and our friend. On your Macy cream, this is Macy of Hair Fair. On your the CEO. And see, less 10 years I will introduce her to you and we'll have this beautiful conversation.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problems. I want problems. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich. So if you rule. Okay guys, so you have a back. Now, Messi wa Messi otenan. I see.
I say.
Enwa. Na wo fancy no ye him faze na bi.
Make the third.
Third enwa.
But man na why charity. I'm fine share conversation answer why did you?
Na aswesha akotwi bi na. But mezo baby fie nde. Why dey ka fancy. But precisely him fancy na fi. Anto. Okay, we crossing you. Typical village girl, but okay, city dreams. Mama Jada. I say, so me wo one day and me neighbor bi. Me nyana say oye West Hills no catch him no ba be ni ti wala pass. Na me say na saloons bebre be ogu ye kwani bi. Why are you going to La Paz? No, so when I get there you understand. Ti me wo na me kohwe ni status. Me hwe na oh, it's a why na oye fe. But me hwe na I dey fear na wo yet you. Na me say na nyimpa no me full issues ana. No, we're gonna be Shefia no, so that's her style. She works at home and then she's doing well. So now we're beautiful. Mention Beno. I mean, Obi would take inspiration from that and all that. Inti Obaneden and I we decided ebe iti wofi wo hall you convert it to a salon.
Okay. So Mesha say free the man sha say free my hall ha.
Yeah.
Initially, I had a shop around Alaju. Okay. But and with the most my Ghana it's baby a rent. Yeah. I rent a shop I butia. Yeah. And I'm single-handedly, like I don't have any supports coming from anywhere. So I said to myself, say, why don't I rather look for a house that maybe I can convert my hall then use it because obe save me ska.
Beautiful. Oh, Kasa.
Obe
Beautiful
save me
idea.
ska from paying rent at home and then at work too. Nti yeah, mekan there na mpede me save mo from that stress and all that. Yes.
We all know in Kran, I mean, to rent a shop
Wonderful.
on the phone and then to also get a house and pay for that and pay for the shopping, pay electricity
Telewater.
at Asa. It's on the phone. So that's a beautiful idea. But one person with educational background in it, because normally hairdresser if you don't want to JSSB now, we join or bushing it here.
Okay, so Mesha say every maybe secondary school. Yeah. Maybe 2015. Yes, business school. Stanley. My school na la wogu. Fast no more pon ken kesi baby.
Headmaster, so then
when this can, but when this no or the only business school in Tema, and he didn't want any support from the government. So I think financial something, and then yeah. But I mean, we are school now, so lugu. Team school no.
More all students no see the year. Last badge will be
Me care because movie school me man koho bi wa 2015.
2015. No. So no school I'm from no school. How
Yeah, me talent. Braiding I'll be on me from my childhood be anim say na me pity. Me so no say me who say we san wuti gu so pe. So me who dey san wuti re gu da. De me nam bia na afehye me ho. Nti anwana woni me nyin wo come to two tema. Nti me hu there wuti hu gu do pe na me de afi de wechi gidigidi pe there. It wasn't me but me hu man realize there I bibi am pe metime enyi ska wo manam de be ye adwuma. Nti me wie school nim na me ye adwuma report. Me nemu aba me sister penny. Me a secretary. Cause me call business school me call ye secretarial course. Nti me wie no me the office adwuma na me pe de me ye. Nti me start adwuma me ye for like 6 months and me sister penny mami de nachi direct. Ono no kosi e tribon. Nti na me wo school na me eba vacation na me boa ne ma obotiri no. But say man kasa metum me da ye adwuma no oni menyu ado nti na mpede me ye adwuma da nti me ho ma na me sister friend de ne workers ebien bi okreje nti me onim de me nim tribon nti me be boa ne na pay a wo tua me wo port wo no oya hin no botum wetua nti me nje na me mbra. At that time it was like 150 cedis. 150 cedis. But now me at tips because I know how to relate to people and all that. So, man, to the best, na me times 2 of my. Yeah, it was okay for me. Then me call you know. So me call buan because I say me be buan for some time. Now onya worker nature day. Ma go back to me juma and I be them because me nyant na when din komo de mpede me botira na bibi. But they knew I had the gift. So me buy no. Na yeah buan kakra. So it was my sister's business at that time. So na me juma to say ninia. So I think me ni juma sa for like 2 years. No who there. CCR day ma bem. No sha si there olutia make because me be sia. I need to like see that. I think that aspect, or mama who there I shouldn't look down on my talent. I can get something from it. Most of my office you juma mo scan. The man cause those time na in day there's nothing and people didn't even respect people like that. So yeah, so yeah. I did man na me ni ye juma nti bedu baby pono. Me ni ye juma for 7 years. Nti bedu baby na man na obi aba opa me. So through the process, that is where I realized, say, now this thing is really in me. Because most of my obu style or struggle to braid it or bring the style out. But me the style nature me born the same thing so me damo. Nti na client no those time go boss am mensa no nye nti obia wanted me to braid for them. So asking encouragement kakra and na me nya bad reference ana obi anka dey bi eti na mabo no nye fie na even though as and when you are coming up beginning and yet to say end na baby I be doing there will be growth And I think encouragement for some clients, any other family members and some friends too. And Emma Mikai. So Mr. Charlie. Cause time and na me na fufu wally ni nam wo pejuma wally ye na me de. Not like okay, like me wo ejuma ni mu.
All right. So if I get you right, you learned on the job.
Yes.
Every year, Juma
yes.
Good. That's beautiful. Until now, let's cut the whole story short. CCRN, Abba, Ifi. Eba don't know trigger in my close shop now. It started there in Juma with you.
Shop now somebody. See, I can't yeka. In
summary,
but
Ebia in sooner or farm. And now they no muntum chama rent.
Oh no.
And now they feel run a pedal sham taskum.
Oh, that's quite some beer but
okay.
An American oh yeah.
Sikasamana.
Probably I would just because I don't want to give anybody but on Bibisu Naima me I don't want to put it out there. But yes, it was very, very critical for me. So I didn't have any choice than to convert my home and then use it.
Into bottom market there, that's thing that happened, it has become a blessing to you.
Fact.
Really.
Fact.
Since I am penetrating a be on you jay in a sort two shop in a CCA fear. It has been a blessing to you.
Of course, a big blessing, like yeah.
Great. Until you start to of your beginning not and then.
In fact, like imagine what there I will use my horn. I'm one person that I don't even think about the negative side. Even though now 1 be obi ho hey La Paz omba hey sisi de wako etrio but empire 1 or 2 and then encouragement from my boyfriend to keep on, like it will go, it will move, it will do this now and I thank God for the gifts of braiding. Say me feel say me juma no most of the times any name or moba because thinking so back faka if you be we lady ya buy say ofitema all for can fitema fambra la pass now be na ye bibi e de gunitu onye kama since so it's difficult to come by money until obi ba na obetua 500 450 oh yes, even though 200 cedis per yesika, into mananya worth the money. I think I give them worth their money. That's why. So from the start, me they know confirm basa. Even though I've already built my clientele and all that, one been a what, but when I was dominate what, but basisi make the BBI is stable.
All right. Now the next thing is, what has been your market strategy? Which one I'm able to do them because there are people that have shops by the roadside. Na will complain there. Ijuma mba, ijuma say, and the ijuma is on you, but I wear shedem. Ishamuna donko be my brosani beno sir. But still, what about? Oye juju hana doye adum chea na de. Oye physical, oye ijuman. Another year, the modern technology now I incorporate in your crafts and now why made you manner record.
Okay, one I would say is nyami.
Yeah.
Yes,
but on your dom nyami.
Or nyami adum.
And my patch day on your adom nyami be no your God. Your God, yeah,
it is your God, it is my God. Nti make the first of all nyami. Secondly, customer service. Third, mejuma. Cause obi ba betu yeska na obeba na more de chiro no wanya the same thing na. And I make me kwan wa. Nti me say me ya ade am obi a me yima koma mu na ye. So that nimpa na ba on dwe 2 times ho wa na transportation kra me de ko no in and out me de bo wa haya nimpa na obeba. Because of how I may relate. Oh, but me client obi no wa no bet you are obit me busan. Say like how is my service? Me I come down to everybody's level. Even though their way and me no, I swallow my pride when it comes to business. I'm like that with them. So I feel say nimpa comfortable wo baby or wa. Everything will be successful. So yeah, I would say these are the one thing. And also TikTok, social
is the
media.
technology, the
Yes,
social media.
yes, it helps a lot. And recently, this TikToker, she's an influencer, Irajua. She paints on TikTok. Yeah. So her sister, who she's called Makai. She's also on TikTok. She's also an influencer. She sells clothes and all that. So I spoke to one lady that I buy spiral extensions from. That I want hair. I like them, and I know they braid their hair so much that if she can talk to Irajua, that's the big sister. And she said, okay. So she did. That was somewhere around last year. She did talk to her and she was like, oh, why could break in with braiding kakra? Since you know she she didn't really give us positive what the man of him the only sister kakraba say opedo boni tintino. No, so I mean mini problem since maybe me and I believed so much that mejuma no ebi ani nia panyin hu mejuma obeba because I know you know I know my work. I know what I put out there. So, obeno yebu anything man. Obaha once, twice. The third time now, catch him. The sister say, "Opedo baby bunit." Nto obe boy no no so. Wa mam customers cause first now me Snapchat cry and yet that active like that. But sisi ankofo when who snap do because of on so one mboa kakra. Obe enso obe ye mem free one chere intino. Shout out to them too.
Shout out to sisters. Now, the next question on my paper ni, how affordable are you? Because minimum the quality comes with a price. You understand? And we'll be all how catch there. I know somebody who can do it for free. But somebody who can do it for free, but when I bought the kumbi, and now with this is in its euro. Need cry wa bonon do jans one. Dama bekede be you sabazo. But I'm sure there, even though there you are doing great works, and how affordable is your service?
Okay. When it comes to affordability, I won't give it a price because ye jumano or ye style like the bebam and ye the bema price. But I'm so affordable because I don't want to mention any salon here or anything. But those listening, our listeners, they know they've been to places that you charge you but they don't get what they want. But me, I'm assuring them, say, if they come here, no matter the amount you pay, you get worth your money.
What you order versus what you got.
Perfect.
Exactly. In the Emma Ranger, what would be your least price that you charge here? Well, like I told them, my had to get 5 CDs about to make the damn.
Oh, Debbie. Least price, I'll say 100 cities.
100 CDs.
Yes.
And what would be your highest?
So far, or what I'm aiming to?
So far, ye Juma highest sikaj with Juma Hupa per head.
Per head.
Per nimpa kwenye Juma.
I would say 500 cities.
500 CDs. Wow. Then
that's
I think
for workmanship.
Yeah, that's affordable. I mean, because ye being for oh yeah, bills are what the bill and see. So 500 na job. Mokwa me you be your case.
Hey, wait there,
but aside from that, you know, revenue generations in the second over wawa another season. The season is on yet and you know ejuma ko slow kakra.
I wouldn't say previously I thought our work is seasonal because there a bit more honoma will be for some time I will be breaking our share weeks. But now for me, as it stands now, I don't think say a seasonal work. Debbie. Oh, Debbie. Debbie,
But I mean, Bibi Dam, so you might be so damn, it comes with its own challenges.
Yes.
What are some of the major challenges?
A lot.
So let's, mention a few that you feel there.
Okay.
It's been a major challenge.
Changing of hairstyles. Ebia nipa no ne waka se we book you bibia wa send aka charge bibia o ba bedru ha no no aka cho dey me pay ebia na second one no price e ka dey early charger most mobile no humpo no So no one factor. 2, time. Obo ebe man time cry. On fee. No about bedroom. Time on no ape. All about the stories be intimate. First na me ye appointment. Emma one time I won't do. Nti na ebe there will be time akashi will be time no nkonfo aba no better because me here adwuma wo fie nti no I don't want a lot of people to like I don't want traffic and me client base no some kind of people I want to open in them like workers I have a lot of workers celebrities like 1 or 2 nti obi ho no ba on pede nkonfo bebre wa ha na obeye nti nti na meji me and by appointment, but because of miss 1 or 2 problems need to know. Major my CC me first come first serve. Thirdly, men can ebi mo ho watch wo ho. Men ka dey watch wo ho per se, but obi ani baby efia ofi mo ba. Obi ho ba na mpo CC ye nipa 5. Me students no. Ye 5. Obi ho obeka cho de ebi 5 na ye gina do a ye be wie within 2 hours. Onu mu open in term. Onu so beka cho de I just want 2 people to braid my hair. But 2 people, you won't get it in 2 hours. Into also or one factor. Also, but these are the ones that I think, yeah.
Now let's come to the shop, the challenges in the shop. This is your home, and I'm sure they're not single. You understand? A careful and a partner and worry moments, but it was what you true don't want kakranka. And see, being in this place as your home. One you may say a man so ya what banner where you would see nazan. Be no more how well where you meaning bon some. And then being in a free one as do you feel threatened that sometimes you stand the opportunity of, wrecking your home and breaking your home with the existence of a lot of women in your home?
No.
On how cry? Because of what can be a training.
Oh, not that, but I know who I am with, and I know how to control that. I know when it's business is business. You should know your limit as a client, and I know my limit too. In Tebane pede across a member who there.
How Jews cannot call.
Oh no.
Scan the magic.
Scan the magic.
Don't go there. When you're private property. I see. I see. But I mean, when it comes to safety wise, so now as a woofie in a jumum. I remember a marshal around. I was thinking I'll find security cameras, but I realized you don't have none. And this is your home and all that. How do you manage that?
Okay, with the cameras is in the pipeline. So
in the
as
pipeline.
time goes on, yes.
You
Or
get
you
it.
seek
You get it.
But aside that, in Yankopona, and there in Kayabra, no easy.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. You're the pimping or your risk, and I take. We are not praying to be here forever. Yes. Into as time goes, maybe we'll move to a better place.
Better place, no fear it is your on your bow problem.
That's this place is a better place.
It's not an LP you move to a better place. But have you had challenges with your landlord?
No.
Because they be a nimpa be by higher there, but na in the year by her be juma. He only issue be with that. On Tiha.
And she's away.
Oh yeah, away. That's it.
Yes, the caretaker is aware. They come to also my place, so they know.
Right.
And obia can say a how. And I mean, so many shut down disturb. Say security doors into we just
close
lock.
it.
Even if we are playing loud music, it's not loud outside. So yeah, we are
beautiful.
okay for now.
But there times he be or in your then say Sebi, what relationship mean you let's say by 8 o'clock you should be home to also prepare food for Igwe, Odogu, the boss man. Na ebia edwuma abamari boti na ade. Ebi so no so that time no cry na companionship nyama bi abani tiri me denka insecurity nka maame o hyamenche won pay mu anka ma obokode na nya agro cry no so gina ho na olubokon row. I mean, do you have that challenges?
No.
Ben you not say papa.
Of course. What I say?
Hey, they make you right choice.
Yeah, you did radius.
I actually baby and I also I can make you.
I don't want to talk a lot about it.
That's right.
Because
Yeah, me or yes, private property
yes.
Let's go to the girls you're working with. Which means you're also training people.
Yes.
You are not being selfish. So far, a chair will be itibwa another or chair package na or ye years another or ye months and or ye weeks.
As me, since young generation na yabano, we don't have that time. Then we go see for 3 years. Meto me hu. Obiara mbae there, obe see 3 years. Ma what about the longest stay? Or ye 1 year. Obiara ni ho obeba there. Oh, but then like those times now, be corner catch forms. Since ya bibiara what 7. On a loba no the 3 months no re but pedo hu con robo pedo hu rasta pedo hu twist up obosun bibia within 3 months into no sa 3 years I didn't dey wait.
I see. Interesting. So far, like a chair will be today, a chair idumana. What are the prices? Be a young girl be interested.
Okay, so me because I am a talent no. Time na me suan yan Jimmy Sikabia, but in them room no o chire obi ade na wan Jimmy bibi kakra. Onye serious. Nti bia 1,000 cedis. That's the tuition fee. Then there are a list of things that you buy for your own practicals. That's
1,000 cedis in actual how many months?
1,000 cedis. Maybe I will stay for 1 year. Will be for 1 year. But open 6 months 3,000 cedis. And now 3 months. Ni na bo. And a bit duration now baby dino. And a better time. Price I de bema.
Well, let's go into the business. So, wake caps and ads and there so far. It's one and cutting out there, a lot of braiding.
Okay, I do wig making too, but because braiding in a day you know, it's like recommendation be a baby is about braiding. But I do revamping, I do pony, I do hairstyling, all those things I do, but as you see, and braiding and I'm name me for that. So, if I say braiding.
Maybe men who cutest now do I phone and son and at us phone.
Okay, so last year I wanted to add. So the vision is big. So I want to learn a bit about everything so that in the future, if I want to bring out my vision, at least I will know a little about it. Even if I'm not going to do it myself, I would have an idea when I employ people.
Well, that's beautiful. So what's the future plans like?
Very big.
Very big.
Is just say
also Chama how many dreams?
Oh nah. I want to have like a beauty village. So it will be like a place that when you go, anything about beauty, you have it there.
A village is say I can just also a pram. Pram. Yeah. Commander
airport to see
airport in
Aye. Pram ye feedback right into
okay. You know, but our was also where airport one.
Oh yeah,
airport hills
yeah.
Sikara kasa ate. What is money to hair affair? What is money to hair affair? Ngo na go. Get one. I say, well, you are an inspiration to a lot of young ladies. Obabia sebe oda she ni trimede. Ohia benyin ansana wetuma abobra anade nezenye de sebe chida oba ne nantem 90 degrees ma wanya na da ansana benyin ama ne bibi kakran. What would be your advice to Dami Besiaban?
I would say it's not a good thing. Say oba ubehinya bibi pad ana sika ana upe bibi a ukondo bibi na ubedidi kra na wo say ubie wu nemu ansa. Enye yizi obi ani baby a ofi a ye de bedru ha no. Nti me mfa ma brabo say ma brabo or ye mfanto ho ma ebi mo.
Yeah.
Yes. Even though you've not heard a lot about me, but this is my business aspect America. Say ewo ho na ewo enidaso, enidado ana ewo bibi si wenyu ado de pede eya to anamo. Cause meka baby a me sha ase fi and the baby a me wona. Ebegbo ewenum, chi do bi to mo. Nti membu ho abomfia, awoware nipa na ewo ho no. Always say good things about yourself. Call good things. Ya no, for talking only. We should mind the words that we say. Because and then ebia one or two be in yen. Inte beka de ya na man kotin na wa bom dem member ye day. Aha. Say positive things to encourage yourself every day. Because truly speaking, people don't care. Whether you make it or you don't make it, they don't care. And you know, one kasa no maybe a pede edru ne to ho anamon. Memfa mmoframa namfo fra mpenimfo nkrofo a nyansa wo tirim.
Your coffee sugar daddy anyanko.
Oh, onya sugar daddy aspects, but with the bibia sisi ewiase bibia wa ka yesika. Aha. Put yourself in a position that nobody can talk to you anyhow because of some sika kitwe bi ana bibi. Ye ma wo integrity onye the first thing. Enye de bibia na ehwe benyin bibia. Benyin no polum ombu. Aha.
It's Albekede, you have been a blessing to the man you are going out with.
Amen to that. But he too, he is a blessing to me. He has been. Because onye benyin bia na most of my question be some there ebi attend. I'm not married though, but kwai na ye nam so.
Yeah.
Nipa no behu answer wa ko bi.
Yeah.
Nti no
Yeah, illegal connection away a bit. Yenya lights and continue.
yeah, because you obi aso no bema bi kura ho hu se oba very very ambitious ah. Nenwa burn.
Yeah.
Or they be obodum uja. But you know, on mom no or encourage him, yes. Do this. Can you add this one to this? Let's do this. Yeah.
Yeah, chedo chine bin sanyame ya na adom mo vet na. Obotu makede. My wife is an industrious woman.
What I say? He's so proud.
I say menya na ya ata.
Musu.
Hey, onye musu bia ye cold. But anyway, I can say that I am really happy for you. From the very first day I heard about you, started speaking to you, I told my girl that this woman is a very respectable woman, humble woman, and all of that. And so I'm really proud of your achievements. May I share the CCA? What the ball? Wo empire ne weather. Over about $100,000 is good to be.
Hey, I beg.
It's our averagely did it.
No, I don't. For that one, I don't.
What case cafe I want for one come
out?
What case cafe and Kobe?
Oh, that ching.
That be there. Sisi I was so one what will be walk was second be.
Oh,
yeah,
there be me won't train me. But
yes, you can afford anything you want.
Yes. For that one, I can say.
Bam. See, mommy, rich girl. It's say a young girl. Now what's in there? Mpeda beka de basha when say I want soft light. A young soft light. Baba no jina na nado. No mu yedru, but ojina na nado over 1 hour or roboti. That is not soft life. You understand? Or there bre ninya. I'm watching being caging social media and kede. These days, boys are stingy. Now one say it's better than. Nkakwano, what friend better than? I'm at one friend better than. You need to do something as a woman to help yourself, help your family, and help your man. Mon Trinity being a benina, why ye answer now kede. I want to be a wife of a rich man. You should also be the wife of another man. A rich wife also is very important. That's my American answer. Inti, a hair affair. You're on social media, right?
Yeah.
What are your handles?
Hair affair underscore palo.
Hair
on TikTok. Instagram too is the same thing. Hair affair underscore palo. Snapchat is hair affair underscore GH.
Inti, ebusiafo sister no way. Bomazina na bra. Na mumbo ejuma na nansa no zo ye fe mara asementia nka oyede mama oboti bi mam. But ojina we me man 100,000 mpo yi oye ho hwe onye ye. Ana he afa botum aye ho bibi. Wo afa no ndu ha. Oye up to you no more zibi. So thank you for allowing us to your home and then sharing your story with us. I hope the other people will be inspired by your story and they make a move. Kwane bi e hye bia no make a move. Brighten that corner small. You also be a billionaire like a whisker off. Make them maybe also brother make your request. I do be a what's matter to life imprisonment. I will book. Menchira za makrape na medi na me se bom fufu no so nkwan no ye tre mo ba ma me choose za me say dada your wish is my command. She's a very beautiful soul. I love her myself and I think you should love her. Come patronize us. Now let's build an empire on Osi village. You in class empire there, but we're from VJ Park Ridge. Let me know what you think about her affair. Let me know your reviews, what you think about it, so that we'll be back in comments and one day. I say, Mommy, obey Jumarov. Bye bye.
Bye.
Mommy, what further?
Elizabeth.
What do you do at Hair Affair? What's your role here? Braiding. Yeah. Hair apprentice.
Yes.
For how long have you been here?
It's been 2 years.
2 years. Yeah. But so far the 2 years, and you're sure there's very sure name. But you still want to work with your madam.
Almost every. I'm not done.
Okay.
So yeah.
2 years in India. Then you have a lot to learn. But so far, what can you tell us about Madam Nejumaye? Yeah, but herself, we want from our son the be an annual.
I will just tell you if you want painless, fastest, neat, nice, quality, then it's Hair Affair.
Hair Affair.
Yeah.
It's I will say that about way with the hair intercourse another. It will still be Hair Affair Junior.
Maybe more branch could.
Yeah. But what have you learned from her?
A lot.
Like
a lot.
But few things are if it is sure when we are.
Abutre.
One.
Not many abutres.
I see.
But she will tell you that this is our customers. Okay. So you have to have all the time. And there is a saying that customers are always right.
Yeah.
Sometimes they are not right too.
Sometimes
they are not right. But she will tell you that it's okay. Don't worry.
Move on, baby.
Yeah. Move on, baby. So first thing, abutre, communication, like the customer service. So for minimum be obekade, wabahade ya, obekade, the customer service is bad. And then I know they be
never. You feel that the way I watch you, man, need and the end power have impact on one penetration. Her training has improved your relationship with your boyfriend.
I don't have a relationship.
You don't have a boyfriend?
Yes, I don't have a boyfriend.
You've never had one before?
I had one.
You had one. But in an advice into my influence, so.
Dabi.
Boy, Nana no subaya and show ye.
Oh, Dabi.
Okay, Tete, for this is Date Rush. She's single. If you want her, please turn on your rush. Nah, you're connecting. Or when Sani Jumo radio, so you don't need to be told. Thank you for coming.
Okay, thank you too.
My boy, where from? Okay, hello. What's your name?
My name is Juanita.
Juanita.
Yes.
Wow, that's a beautiful name. So you are one of the customers of Hair Affair. For how long now are you Jumawa?
I think 7 years.
7 years?
Yes.
You've been working with her 7 years?
Yes.
Why are you with Juana?
Davio.
So what's the reason? Why are you always working with her? Like coming here to braid your hair?
First of all, she's very relatable.
Yeah.
She's calm. And then there's this experience. I was really hungry. And then I told her about it. I thought that she would make me pay or something, but then she covered it all for me. And then I brought my friend to here. Mother for not train of born and on to Bassi. I saw catching on Sunday, this particular part saying any friend on Sunday, no any man on to Bassi, no your man. And then Mrs. Penny and then buy or started way back in uni. So yeah, I'm not recommending me man.
Well, I believe, then you have enough reason to be here all the time. So what would you tell other people watching?
If you want quality hair, if you want the best, you want the hair that everybody will compliment you, you have to come to Hair Affair Salon. She's the best. Because all the time when I go out, even if I step foot just right outside the door, I get a compliment. So come to Hair Affair Salon.
But I didn't tell people that when they are hungry today, they should come to Hair Affair Salon. Because there's free food here. For the food aspect, Marcus, I'm here to, testify it. I think that's one way of hair using it to, catch people.
Yeah.
Because they say when you want to find a way to a man's heart, it's somewhere through the stomach or below the stomach. So she's really doing that. And so thank you for being a loyal customer. And I pray that you recommend more people to her. Yeah. Thank you. Jilo. Hey. So what's your name?
I'm Selena.
Selena. I want to hear your surname. That will shake the world.
Selena Ajopo.
Man can't. His surname will shake the world. So you are an apprentice at Hair Affair. For how long have you been here?
For about 6 months.
6 months. Have you been able to learn something from your madam?
Yes, please.
What have you learned?
I've learned a lot, like cornrows, knotless braids, a whole lot.
So let's assume your madam is not here. What are the bad things about her that you can tell me?
Bad things?
Yeah, about her.
So far, I've not seen anything like that.
So what are the good
very
ones?
Good.
The good ones.
The good ones.
Yeah.
She's caring. She's like a mother to all of us.
Does she know you have a boyfriend?
Yes, please.
And she knows that you occasionally cheat on your boyfriend?
I don't cheat.
You've not cheated before?
No, please.
I'm not taking you to Nogopo. Just speak the truth.
Oh.
Just once, be paid that one safe.
I'm loyal.
Hey, those girls are loyal. Anyway, so what can you tell somebody who wants to braid her hair?
Just be punctual, be loyal to your madam. Just have a good heart.
And also to customers, people that want to come here.
Hair Affair is a good place to be. You'll be comfortable here. We have good home services. We have good services here. So.
Right. Can you fix my hair for me?
Yes.
Okay. Come and come out my hands. Do something for me. Let me see. Betu chena ye bibi.
Hey.
Which one is A?
You have a bald hair.
Inti no Hair Affair cannot
just
do
a
it.
wig. Wave on.
I will be shame a wig. God will punish you. Say amen.
Amen.
Charlie.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Welcome to the Rich